What's going on, everybody? So today we are going to be making a beat from a sample that we find on YouTube. We're just going to go through YouTube samples, pick out something that sounds good, and start making a beat around it. So if you're ready, let's jump right into this guy. Jesus Christ. Alright, we're definitely doing that one. Alright, so now that we got our sample, we're going to go in here and find the spots that we like and chop it up and try to get it to play in sync with the tempo. Go into the sample here, bring this down. Now we're going to play with the segment BPM here and try to get it to fit in there perfectly. So if you want to know if your sample's lined up correctly, what you can do is you can actually loop it. So you can take your little section here and turn on your loop marker. And then once it plays back from the beginning again, if it sounds off, then it's still off. Alright, so it's a little off still, so we can probably pull this back even more. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to grab this again, and there was another chunk that I liked, but now that we know the BPM we need to stretch it to, we can mess around with it a little bit. So Alright guys, so now I'm going to play with the transposition a little bit, see if it sounds a little better up or down some semitones. Alright, so if your sample's kind of dragging behind a little bit, like this one definitely has some swing to it, it might be beneficial to solo the drums and kind of get them down, because sometimes the swing gets a little messed up when you're trying to play it along with the tune. So I fixed up the 808 a little bit, and let's see what it sounds like now. Alright, let's see how this is sounding. Damn, dude, that actually came out pretty fire. Anyways, guys, I hope you found that tutorial useful. It's pretty fun if you just go on YouTube and start searching around and find a sample that you like. You can just flip it really quick like that, and it's that cool. So anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we're uploading new tutorials every single day. And stay tuned, because I'll see you again in the next one. Peace out.